when we talk about manage engine and how can we help them with this whole architecture and with this whole transformation along with keeping IT in mind. So look at this way. So I would say that we need to have an integrated and structured approach rather than having a fragmented solution approach as well. So at ManageEngine, we have built our solutions keeping this approach in mind. So at the core of the IT solutions that we have to offer, we have got this different areas that we can cater to. This is basically a foundation layer. This includes IAM tools, or you talk about patch management tools, or about say network monitoring tools. So these are actually those specific or tactical operations or any challenges that IT teams are facing, and we can help them in those areas. Now again, customers can choose the area which is of utmost priority for them, and we can start working with them on that particular area. Coming to the next layer, that's basically the functional layer. Now, think of the functional layer as in two solutions working together, hand in hand, to achieve one business goal. Or you can say that two IT systems working in sync with each other and talking to each other instead of working in isolation. So, example, if there is an issue that has come into an SIEM tool, getting that remediation done in a very effective manner through the service management tool. If there is a patching requirement that has come into my patch management tool, moving it to the ITSM tool to efficiently coordinate between different teams and getting it done. So multiple aspects of that can be looked at over here. Now this will actually ensure that IT teams don't work in silos. If we have this approach, we can have them working in tandem with each other and achieve the business strategy or goal in a much efficient manner as well. Now, moving to the next layer, that is the services layer. So when you talk about the services layer, this layer is actually that powers the entire ecosystem with AI and ML capabilities. So for CIOs today, IT and automation isn't just a buzzword, it is a necessity. So when I talk about it, the challenges that the IT leaders face, like cybersecurity threats or compliance points or increasing workloads, it can be solved. It can't be really solved with the traditional tools alone. So with the AI-driven mechanisms, you can probably look at the different analytics that you have. AI-driven automations mean that IT teams can focus on strategic points rather than looking at things in silos. They can look at, with the predictive analytics, they can detect security risk before even they happen, not after the damage is done. Finally, the cost optimization, AI ensures that not even overspending or utilizing your infrastructure as well. Now, team, this is basically when you look at functional layer and the services layer. Moving to the next one, that's a solutions layer. So solutions, you can consider it as a business outcomes. So what does this actually mean? What is the bottom line? So this is where all the previous layers that we have discussed about will come together to drive the specific business requirements, like faster and quick responsive IT, no more waiting for getting approvals, no more struggling on getting the resolutions, automations can be done faster. Stronger security, AI detects what pattern, what is the ransomware, and takes an action before even it can hamper or before it can cause a damage to the environment or run into crisis. Lower cost for that matter, it helps optimize IT resources, avoiding unnecessary spends and operational inefficiencies. And in turn, that will lead to a happy customer. IT runs smoothly, employees get high help when they need internally, and frustration level goes on definitely. At the end of the day, IT isn't just about technology, it is about making the IT strategic asset for the business. Moving to the next one. Now team, this is here, we just mentioned that different layers that we have seen, solution, functional, operations layer. Now, to summarize, IT today is definitely complex. There's no second thought about it, but let's not make it chaotic. With ManageEngine's AI-powered solutions, we can help you take this approach. When I say take this approach, organizations can rely on us to unify the IT operations and security. We can help with reducing the downtime and improve efficiency with the automations. We can strengthen the security posture by addressing this extra workloads on the IT team. Optimize cost while improving the employee and customer experiences. Well, one thing that I would say that we need to understand, AI isn't the future. AI is already there, and businesses that embrace it will stay ahead. Now, talking about how ManageEngine can help you with the operational layer while segregating all these domains. I'm sure these domains are known to us. We have been there. We have worked in all of them. Starting right from the left, that is unified service management. We can help you with all of your service management requirements. I would say in a legacy way, we can talk about as an ITSM and ITM piece. Moving over to the identity and access management, we can help you with all the aspects of it, say management or auditing, or say for that matter, the backup and recovery, as well as the self-service piece as well. Going to the IT operations management, where we can help you with the completely observability in ITOM, that's a monitoring platform as well. Moving over to the unified endpoint management, is just not about the endpoint management. We can help you with the security aspect of it as well. Moving over to the security and SIEM, we can help you with the complete aspect of it, collecting the logs, doing the correlation, helping you with the intelligent analytics, remediations as well, and finally the IT analytics and the low-code app development. So that's all the domains that ManageEngine has got solutions into. Now, talking about that we have the solutions, we can also help you integrate this solution with the existing solutions that you have in the environment, and not just helping you integrate with them, we can help you even replace a few of them as well. So talking about all this domain that we looked at earlier, that is ITSM or ESM or IAM, SIEM, UEMS, ITOM, low code. We understand that it can never be a complete ManageEngine. It may or may not be a ManageEngine workshop. So one of our USPs when you talk about ManageEngine is integrations. So if you have these tools, we can integrate them really well. If you would like, we can even help you with replacing them as well. So team, and just before I conclude the session, these are the couple of customers that we have in West India that we work with and are currently using ManageEngine solutions. So team, out of all, if I have to say on a global scale, every 9 of the 10 Fortune 500 companies use one or other ManageEngine solutions. Again, it's a Make in India company. We are headquartered out of Chennai. So team, thank you so much for your time. If you need any help, or probably if we can discuss this a little further, if you require any help, if you need to know something more, we are here. We have a booth outside. Thank you so much for your time.